Hello everybody, this is our cat ear headphones with USB charger. Now this is our package box and this color is the blue one. Every design here have maxi colors. Okay, now I open the box to show you our products. This one is our USB cable, and now this is our products. This is our instructions. Now then, I introduce you the detail. Now I open the product. Okay, this product is with the knives. I show you. Here have the button. Okay, where I button one time. Okay, have the lights like this. If I plus one more time, okay, now here is the pink lights like this. Okay, I can show everybody on my head. Now it's okay. This one can for baby, children's, for adult, for everybody can because here can adjust big and small. Now like this. For example, I adjust wow, so big, this is so big, so this is for like this for everybody. Okay. Now if the lights, if I plus one more time, if no lights, here can take the charge directly. Now charging is here. This is the USB charger cable. Okay, I show everybody like this. Okay, and this charger cable can match some Android phones. Okay, now this is the hole. Okay, now it's okay now. So this is just lead the charger head, take the charger directly. It's okay now. I take the other side. Okay. Now, if you don't want to use, and then you can hold, you can like this hold directly, and then here have the cable, have the cable line. The line is 1.5 meters. And this one is 3.5 mm. Fits for different mobile phones, computers, iPads, for everyone. And then now our this headphones material I show you here. I show you. Okay, here. This is that PU. This is PU. So put here can other it was cannot easy inside like this. Okay. Then the here all the material is ABS. Then maybe somebody worry about maybe the voice big. So we already consider of it. Our headphones, the less audio SNS is from 75 dB and the to 103 dB. Sometimes add 5 dB or less 5 dB. It's okay. So for baby, it's already protected for baby, so you no need to worry the voice hurting them or no, because it can control. It's already the safety or safety around it like this. And then because we are the original factories manufacturer. Now you can show behind my side have many design, many colors because it's our factories manufactured directly. So for our every customers buy this one, we can provide 1 year guarantee. 1 year guarantee. So you don't worry about that quality problems. If you have any problems, you can contact us. We have the email, WhatsApp, or our internet also. So our customer service can service every customer passenger. Okay. Then I close the lights. Close. Okay. Now it's close. Okay. I put it here first. Later I show another color. Okay. This is our the box is mark pink. Okay, now this is the black pink one. Okay, I plus the nice. Okay, plus 1 time is this color. We plus 1 more time this pink lights. Okay, now adjust. Okay, the material same. ABS PU. And the line, and also this is 3.5. Okay. Also for everybody. Okay. I close it because many colors I need 1 by 1 to show. Oh, I need can put it on my head to show everybody. It's okay or no? Okay. Oh. No. Okay, this is our this is 1 by 1 another design. Okay, this is our the white one. Now we open the lights. This is 1 time. 1 more time. This pink lights. Okay. Now. It's okay? Okay. Now we all close it. Another one. The yellow one. Okay. Now. Wow. That's beautiful. Okay. Now 1 more time. And this. It's okay. Lights. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Now plus 1 more time. Wow. So every color, different colors. As you which color you choose, it's okay now. Oh, okay. Okay, now I can try my phone. Now. Okay. Wow, the best. If somebody want to try our design or voice, no problem. You can contact us. If you help us review and make video, we can send you for free. We can refund by PayPal. If you do business with headphones, we can provide you the best price. Like this, okay? This one we sell on Amazon and AliExpress, different sites. So we very welcome everyone love our products. Okay.